Setting up a joinery spray painting shop can be an expensive business. You need to invest in a suitable pump and other professional equipment such as spray guns that can achieve a durable and professional finish. Think kitchen cabinet resprays and interior commercial furniture. Items like these demand thick primers and top coats that withstand wear and tear. In an ideal world, you would have the budget to buy a premium pump, something like the Graco Merkur or Wagner Puma. However, there are alternatives if you haven't got thousands to spend. The Iwata AZ3 HTE gun is an excellent place to start if you already have a compressor in your workshop for tools like sanders, grinders, air valves and cleaners. It's a gravity gun with the added bonus of being pressure assisted. This means you won't need to thin your primers or top coats and compromise your finish or invest in a high pressure pump to push material through your gun. As you can see here, the AZ3 HTE has a pressure fed hose that goes from the air feed to the top of the pressure pot. This delivers air to the gun, pushing material through the needle as normal, but with an additional boost of pressure to force thick paint products through the gun. If you do have a compressor in your workshop with a CFM of 10 or above to power a spray gun, then the savings could be significant. The AZ3 HTE costs around £300, or if you can reclaim the VAT, it's closer to £230. A spray pump with the power to produce professional results will set you back anything from £1,500 to £5,000. For the sprayer testing their hand at professional level spray painting, the AZ3 HTE is an affordable investment that makes sense. We recommend using the AZ3 HTE with products such as Seolac AU474 water-based primer with an AT99 top coat to achieve a top quality finish. The top coat can be mixed in any RAL, British Standard or retail colour, and if you buy these products from Ultramax, we can mix the same day to any colour you need with next day delivery if you order before 2 p.m. If you have any questions about the Iwata AZ3 HTE gun or joinery spray painting equipment in general, give our Total Paint Shop support team a shout and we'll be happy to help.